Well, the lemon law is specific to vehicles in the state of Florida, cars and trucks. Warranty claims can apply to any product that costs over $75 and comes with a written warranty. Consumers should contact an attorney to go over these matters because a lot of times warranty companies, or manufacturers rather, will take a very long time to perform under the warranty and need guidance through that process to understand what they can do to enforce the terms of the warranty. I think it's important to strike a balance between aggression and certainly professionalism and civility are always required ingredients when an attorney is involved in anything. You always have to be professional, you always have to be civil. But at the same time, you have to remember that you're here to advocate for someone else. And when you deal with manufacturers and their personnel, you have to be somewhat aggressive and tenacious. But at the same time, you have to understand that they're doing a job as well that they're paid to do, and there's no ill will there. I enjoy the law a great deal. I especially enjoy reading texts and documents, and parsing sentences, and really figuring out the thrust of the text and what it provides and what it does not provide. I think it's an incredibly important aspect of the law, but especially in a warranty or a lemon law type situation, where these cases are largely, if not solely, driven by words on paper. The words on paper being the words in the written warranty itself, and the words in the various statutes and laws on the books. I consider myself thorough in that regard, and that in that if there is a hook, so to speak, in the language that will assist my client, then I'm going to find that, I'm going to exploit it, and I'm going to exploit it to my client's advantage. The thing I like most about working at Farah and Farah is, besides the amazing resources we have and my incredible staff, I really like that Eddie and Chuck are Jacksonville guys. They grew up in Jacksonville. They've seen the city change so much over the years, and the fact that this firm has been around since 1979 is a testament to their love for the city of Jacksonville, which is a simply fantastic city from any way you view it. Vince Lombardi famously said, "Winning isn't everything; it's the only thing." It's one thing to go through 2 years of litigation and get a judgment for the clients at the end of the day. I think it's quite another to negotiate a reasonable settlement in the short term. I think winning is kind of a fluid term that it really depends on the context, but I, like every American, enjoys winning, and nobody enjoys losing. And it's a wretched thing to go through. But, if my client is happy, then that's a win to me.